Residents of the Calderwood area, are you struggling with a garage door that won't close properly? The culprit could, in fact, be malfunctioning sensors. These safety sensors, located at the bottom of your door, play a crucial role in its operation. They can become misaligned, dirty, or simply stop working, posing not just a nuisance, but a safety risk. Don't let sensor issues compromise your home's security and functionality. Act now by calling our team of qualified professionals at 0409-774-111. We're experts in diagnosing and fixing sensor problems, ensuring your garage door operates safely and reliably. For trusted garage door repair in the Calderwood area, we're here to help.